Hi, now I'd like to share one of our stories, which has 36 press out pieces, so we can change the story up however we want. This one is called Once Upon a Time. And yes, you can change the story each time you read it. Almost all the choices for the pages are taken out except one. So let's get going. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. She lived on top of a hill in a castle, which was my choice. She lived all by herself except for Fred, her pet, Rabbit. Again, my choice out of all the other options, which are up here because I didn't take them out. But they do come out and you can just clip them on there. All right. One day, when the beautiful princess was out walking, she met a magic fairy. Another choice. But there are other choices you can make. Who said, "Beautiful princess, today is your lucky day, because I will grant you 3 wishes." The beautiful princess thought very hard. And when she wished for then she wished for a hamburger for her dinner. Other choices? And she wished for a brand new computer. And she wished for a prince that she could marry. Other choices? Her wishes all came true. And again, the story can change as often as you change your options in the book. So, fun time. Instead of she lived on the top of a hill in a castle, we could have changed it to a teapot. She lived in a teapot, or she lived in a camper, or a house, or a tree house, or a tent. So the story changes as often as you feel you would like it to change. Once upon a time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.